Welcome to the July 2024 free online talent showcase competition, conducted by Beyondklasses, inviting all budding artists, creative minds, and supportive parents. Get ready for an amazing opportunity to showcase your incredible talents in our free online competition, proudly brought to you by Beyondklasses. Every month we host a thrilling competition with no entry fees, and this month we're all set to see your best artwork. Category 1, Video Submission. Top 5 winners will receive dazzling mementos or trophies. Earn up to 10 talent coins for every approved video. Achieve a minimum of 50 hours of watch time to qualify for the competition. Remember to share your awesome talent videos only by mail or Google Drive, and our email ID is beyondklasses@gmail.com. Category 2, Photo Submission. Top 5 winners will get sparkling mementos or trophies. Earn up to 5 talent coins for every approved image. Gather a minimum of 50 likes to qualify for the competition. E-certificates will be sent straight to your mail. What talent can you showcase as video in Category 1? Coloring, drawing, painting, craft, card making, singing, dance, poem rhymes, storytelling speech, Rangoli, cooking, any unique talent. Below photos you can upload to website, coloring, drawing, painting, craft, card making, idols, any unique talent, capture the photo and upload to the website directly. Additional bonus gifts for every participant. Earn talent points for every approved image, up to 5 coins. Earn talent points for every approved video, up to 10 coins. What you can do with the talent point: redeem your talent points for beautiful and exciting gifts in our shop section. How to claim your prizes? Once you are declared as a winner, you need to pay Rs 149 only for the courier charges. The mementos are absolutely free. Check out our previous winners, who are over the moon with their fabulous mementos and certificates.
Thank you, Beyondklasses. I'm so happy with this memento. Thank you.
Participation dates, July 1st to July 31st. To join the fun and showcase your talent to the world, visit our website, www.beyondklasses.com. For any questions, don't hesitate to call or WhatsApp us at 805 06 1090.